Hello, my name is Emanuela Eze. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across my video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a personal email address. Come with me. So you click on your Gmail this way. You click here. See where I'm clicking at the top. This is one of my Gmail address. You click on add another account. You click on Google. Enter your password, or you can use your fingerprint, anyone. You wait for it to finish loading this way. Alright, so click on create accounts and click on for my personal use. Please don't click on for work or my business. Just click on for my personal use, because we are not going to be using phone number for this particular account creation. So you put your first name, then you put your surname, then you click on next here. Okay, so you put your date of birth. So because this is a tutorial video, I'm just going to put any date of birth here. Okay, anyone. And you click on next. Alright, so you select the one you want to use and click on next. Now I'm just going to enter my password. Okay, so I've just added my password and you click on next after putting your password. So this is the email address I just created. It's a personal email address. You click on next again. So this is just what will appear when you are creating your email address. What you are going to do, you click on choose in 4 steps and click on next. You click on keep until I delete manually and scroll downwards and click on next. Click on the same thing again, scroll downwards, click on next. You click on show me personalized ads, scroll downwards, click on next. So this is just optional. You can click on privacy reminder, or if you don't want to, you can just leave it that way. Click on next below. Scroll downwards, click on confirm. Scroll downwards, click on I agree. And your account is ready. So this is how to create a personal email address without phone number. If you find this video useful, kindly react, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.